Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. I mentioned in my last video, well, one of my more recent videos, that I had moved out of my half letter Discbound system into a bullet journal. This is the Sequins Classic 360. I'll have it linked in the description box. The bullet journal that I used in 2019 from January to June was the Stalogy 365 B6 size. I love this, and I went through a planner rut between July to September, and then I ended up in this half letter Discbound planner in October, and I've been using it ever since. I did not deconstruct that planner. It's fully set up if I choose to use it again. As you guys know, with everything going on with this pandemic, life has changed. Things have changed. I don't feel inspired or find myself reaching for my half letter, so that's why I moved into this bullet journal. The only con that I'm finding with this has nothing to do with like having my plans in one place and then all of my brainstorming in another, because I actually do like that. Like these pages here, I have all of the brainstorming on a fiction piece that I'm working on, and then here's what my week is looking like so far. And then this was from the Verses presented by Swiss Beats and Timbaland. Teddy Riley and Babyface did their thing. Okay, I am a Babyface lover, but I didn't know Teddy Riley had all them things, all them hits in his. If you guys don't watch Verses, YouTube it. It's really, really good. But anyway, so that is what I wrote here. What else do I have in here? I also have this page called Quarantine Chronicles, what I'm loving, watching, and buying, because not everything about this is miserable. And then here's my cover page for April, and then I also have a couple other watch lists inside of here. This, in comparison to my B6 Stalogy, the Stalogy is a little bit taller and a little bit wider. There is a size up from this, and it still has the 200 pages. I don't know, this just seems really, really small. But then again, I'm coming from using this half letter, which when you look in comparison, there is no comparison. Like, it is a significant size difference. So that brings me to the Mini Happy Planner. Lakia girl, what are you doing using a happy planner? Why are you going back to a Discbound system? You just left the Discbound system for the notebook. Why are you going to the Mini Happy Planner? Let's get into it, okay? So, the size comparison of the Sequins Classic 360 versus this Mini Happy Planner is the same with the B6 Stalogy. So the B6 and the Mini Happy Planner are the same size. If you're looking for what bullet journal matches up to the Mini Happy Planner, it's a B6 Stalogy. This is supposed to be a B6, but it is slightly smaller. So I was thinking, what if I did like the bullet journal system inside of this, and then I could add in the list pads that I was talking about. I could hole punch these in, right? And have my little notes or whatever. And then I could also, how I have a dashboard inside of here. Where is it? How I have a dashboard inside of this planner. I could do the same thing. And I do have some dot grid paper inside of here left over. I also have, this was actually my, this was my gratitude journal that I was using in September when I was in between the classic Happy Planner and the mini Happy Planner. The only thing is that I gave away a lot of my mini Happy Planner stuff, so I don't even have like paper and all that to really, you know, to really use. I do have some grid paper that I can use. Let me look in my stash. All right, so in revamping my planner system, making it work for my current needs, I really do like this notebook, but I'm just thinking I could achieve the same thing inside of here. And another thing that's bothering me right now is writing on the back of these pages, because this spine is different than that of the Stalogy. So I'm going to be doing another video going more in depth with which one I like better. So stay tuned for that. But the spines are different. This spine is curved. This spine is not. So this one kind of opens up a little bit better. Whereas this one, even though it is known for being bendy and circly, is meant to roll. And I can move the pages and lay them flat too. It's just like, I have to literally, you know, I have to break it in a little bit more. So I was just, you know, thinking maybe just maybe I want to move into this. And the way I would separate it is that I'd have one section for planning and then one section for notes. That's it. Nothing else. Planning would have the weekly planning that I want to do. I'd still be able to do all of the bullet journal stuff that I want to do in here. And that was suggested to me before. Why don't you just go ahead and turn your half letter into a bullet journal? This is too big for me to have as a bullet journal. This requires a little more structure, which is why I bought the inserts. But this would be cute, you know, to have as a little bullet journal. But yeah, I wouldn't do the I would not do the black paper. That's for one. It fits, but I don't want to do that. So, just playing around with this for a little bit. I do have all black discs. They are, because I don't know why I was trying to be cute and like mix it up. I would do all black discs with this. And I also like the clear covers that I see. Another thing, you know, FOMO. I see a lot of people using the mini Happy Planner now. But I think it would be cute to turn it into a bullet journal. I just don't have a lot of the, you know, the classic mini Happy Planner. Oh, this one's broken. I'm not even gonna put it back in there. I'm gonna just move that to the side. But I don't even have a lot of this classic paper here. So that's that. Let's see, what else do I have here? Yeah, I was just literally using this as a gratitude log. This is one of my favorite vellums of all time. It reminds me of my mom. My mom's name was Rosa. So the roses reminds me of her. So here I am. And it's super late as I'm doing this. I mean, I've been writing. I've been in my zone, which is great. And when I get in my zone, I start to overthink. And I've just been thinking, you know, maybe, just maybe, I want to move back into this bitty Happy Planner. Not that I've ever fully committed to it. But this is the cover I was thinking about. But this one's also cute too. To just do the black and white polka dot. But then I also just like the stripes. And this is probably something I love stripes and floral, but this is something I'd probably cover. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Whatever I end up doing, you guys will see it. Another thing that's cool is that I have these as well if I wanted to decorate. And then the paper that I have is, it's lined, but it would work. It's from the Faith collection. I just don't want to be spending money on, you know, stuff. Y'all, I've been looking for this book. Snap, Crackle, Pop. I've been looking for this, and I think I might give you guys an update on this one. This was before I created this wellness planner. I was using this notebook. This is a notebook that I got. It's from the Poppin brand, and I was using it just to put all of my little notes for when I was going to my therapist. So that's cool. I'm glad I found that. Might take a little trip down memory lane. And then what's this one? Oh, this was another gratitude log. This was from May Designs. And then this was a little devotional that I did a video on this one. This is actually a notebook from Erin Condren. So here I am finding things that I thought I had lost. And then this is the other paper. This was actually from the Mom collection, and I covered it up, and the back has dot grid. So I don't know. I would love to hear from y'all in the comment section though, because y'all get what it's like to change your mind. So let me know what y'all think. Should I turn this into a bullet journal? I wouldn't throw my Zequins notebook away. I would just put it on a shelf. But let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your opinion. This is literally all the paper, like the dot grid paper that I have, because I would want to use dot grid paper or even grid, but I prefer dot grid for my bullet journal. But where'd my Zequins go? I don't even know. Oh, here it is. I prefer dot grid, but I can work with grid as well. So let me know what you guys think. I'm back literally at square one with this thought process of, should I stay here or should I move here? It's literally the same thing. One is just on disc, and I have the flexibility, of course, to move things around, whereas the other is in this notebook. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, as well as leaving any other questions or suggestions you may have. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have videos, related videos, and of course the links to products featured and the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are and are rocking out with me, I love you. I thank you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.